So, for today's video, bit of Roses by Bon Jovi. Shoutout sa mga taga SMC sa department store na assign sa lower ground. I don't know o upper ground pa na Sitting here wasted and wonder at this old piano, trying hard to capture the moment. This morning I don't know, 'cause about all of what just lies in my head, some blind give me nightmares, think that she's still in my bed. As I dream about movies, they won't think of me when I'm dead. With an ironclad fist, I wake up and French kiss in the morning, while some marching band gives its own beat in my head while we're talking about all of the things that I long to believe out loud. That true, what you mean to me, and the truth, baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses for the night. I sleep on a bed of roses. All I wanna be, 'cause it's closest. The Holy Ghost says, lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, I'm so far away, it's a step that I take on my way home. King's drums humming dimes, I give its night to see through this paper. Still run out of time, or it's hard to get through till the bird on the wire flies me back to you. I just close my eyes, I whisper, baby, blind love is true. I wanna lay you down on a bed of roses for tonight. I sleep on a bed of roses. I wanna be just as close as it Holy Ghost says, lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, this old over song over whiskey can drive you back, keepers me cool, and she's giving me the eye. Well, I might have said yeah, but I love so hard I think I died. Oh yeah. Now as you close your eyes, know I'll be thinking about you. While my mistress, she calls me to stand in her spotlight again. Tonight I won't be alone, but you know that I'm clean and not lonely. I've got nothing to prove, for it's you that I die to defend. I wanna lay you down, baby.